our Bye City food products. Bye City food products, kamote chips, jackfruit chips, and we also have kamote ice cream with different flavors. And next to that is the famous boardwalk. This is the new facility of our chicken operators, like Mr. Barbecue. Next to that is the Heritage Houses. This is located at the Ava
May pangaon ko nun yan. Nasa
Italy,
din mo nika.
18th century old Immaculate
Ito yung-
Conception Parish.
Uy, pares mong kito.
Where now is different
Go,
houses
go,
that
pares.
was built since 19
Iba lang kasi daw.
Next is our
Dara.
famous Delighted Festival. We celebrated this
May-
festival every 27th of December in honor to honor our patroness Immaculate Conception. And Bye City is known for the Visayas State University. And we also have the Eastern Sea of Clouds. I hope na nakapunta na kayo dito. The
Maray
best
pa.
time to go there is early in the morning at 5 a.m. Next is we have the Legacy Central, the St. Anthony of Padua. He is known for his